Okay, guys, let's look at bond futures for 4/16, 2015, 30-year bond. I started this morning at around 4:40. I took this short and stopped quickly. I didn't take the long because I don't take signals when they're a bar or two apart. I want at least 5 bars between them before I will take another signal. But that long signal was not bad, and there were several ticks there. I did take this short right at 7, and that produced several ticks for me and got out right here on the average. Then some news came out, and we got a lot of chop here, a couple of really big bars. And then it just kind of chopped, even though we still had a down signal. I was already out because I got out before the news. This guy chop, chop, chop. But you notice how we're getting a divergence in the averages down here, but we still were going up. So that was a heads up. I did not take this trade. I know someone that did and did well with it, but I didn't take it. But right here at this 855 cross would have been the ticket with the down signal, the divergence, our EMA's crossing, and then we blew right through the main pivot here. This big white line, main pivot point, just blew through it. Stopped just for a second. I say a second. It stopped here at the end of this bar, and then when this bar opened up, boom, just took off. I did come down here and get this and got some of this cake right here, and that was nice on the long signal here at basically at the bottom of the day. We were real close to the lower pivot areas. See if we can see that here. Yeah, there it is. Big support pivot. Didn't quite get there. We might have touched it on a couple of these bars, but didn't quite get there. And then we had a really nice long signal, which took us on into 2 o'clock, right back up to the main pivot area, just a little above it. I think that's it, 164.03. Yeah, is the main pivot all week basically. And we just breached that a little bit, and then we kind of sold off a little bit going into the close. But a couple of good trades again, a couple of good opportunities. It was bad that we got this real quick, this down and then stop out to start the day. That wasn't fun, but got all that back and then some. And then I had 2 good opportunities. This one to me was a little tougher because of all the chop. Doesn't really fit my rules, but I do like when the 8 crosses the 55 EMA, and you can see the result there. And I like this divergence here as it just leaked off, even though we were having some volume, but that 855 cross still had the down signal, so that was something. This was a perfect signal to take. So we had, as far as my rules go, 2 really good signals, and you had an opportunity to make a big chunk here as well. So that was Thursday, and we will see what Friday brings in the bond futures. Hope all this helps. Thanks.